What's up, my crypto heads? It's the Scaredy Cat Guide, and we're looking at a chart of HBAR, the Hedera Hashgraph crypto, and there's been a lot of buzz around this, so I gave it a look, and I actually decided to jump in. I had bought some the other day at about 28 cents, and I'm not going to get into the aspects of what this blockchain does, though it does have a lot of promising aspects, but let's just look at the price chart here and see what's kind of going on, because honestly, it's pretty messy. I threw a little bit of money at it that I earned just from some yield harvesting, just to hold for the long term in case this thing does, pop and eventually get, above $1 and whatnot. But looking at the chart right now, I mean, you can see it really is messy. Like, we had this basing here, right, around 16 cents, and, we got the rally, which a lot of cryptos did. You look at so many that, have this push here over the last month or so. But what we're seeing on HBAR is that, we rallied up and, it didn't quite get up to this supply area because you got all these tops here. Like, you had this top, you had these crazy intraday moves, right? These big spikes, right? Before essentially sellers took it down. So I'm looking at that whole 33 to 36 or so area as a supply zone. And right now price, kind of pushed hard, pulled away from the 10-period moving average. So we may see a pullback to that. It wouldn't be the end of the world, especially if we kind of came back here, like 27, 28. Like, there's a lot of price action here. You see all these bottoms here, so much price action prior that would be the end of the world. But in the end, for this thing to really level up, it's got to get into this 33 to 36 area. And then at that point, it's got a shot at testing these all-time highs. Outside of that, what you really want to see, at least me personally, is I don't want to see it pull back below 24. Even if it pulled back here, it's not the end of the world, right? You're just coming back, you're verifying essentially a support level. But ideally, we just push to the supply area and it pushes through. But that's just some price action on this. Like I said, I hold a little bit. If it does pull back, I may add to this position. And it's just kind of like a long-term bag that I'm going to hold just in case this blockchain really does take off. We'll see what happens. Scaredy Cat out!